or some English Ironstone Tableware, usually abbreviated to EIT on the factory stamp, and we're going to show you that in a minute. This is Neuschwanstein. I hope I pronounced that right. I probably haven't. Obviously a German castle depicted in red and white ironstone with this nice floral border. We've got two of these plates, very similar, both made by EIT, but slightly different sizes. This is a slightly smaller one, the 9 5/8 inch diameter, and made a slightly different stage or run to the other one because they're slightly different depths of red on them. 3 characteristic base plate rings. That's very typical of EIT of this period. There you've got the mark EIT England impressed into the base. It's incredibly clean. A lot of EIT has been worn to death, but we picked this one particularly because it is so nice and bright. Just the one going on catalogue. As I say, this is the 9 5/8 inch diameter. It's just a couple of eighths of an inch smaller, well, 1/8 of an inch smaller than the other one we're going to show you in a minute, and it has a different factory stamp on. But there are two almost identical dinner plates, but when you put them in a stack you can notice a difference in size, so that's why we are very pernickety about listing these with the exact maximum diameter, so that you know they're going to match what you've got. Do measure them carefully, because as I say, they made these in 1/8 of an inch difference over the course of the long period of manufacture. 1970 to 1990 is the period for this. Mint condition, lovely piece of red and white EIT Ironstone China dinner plate, 9 5/8 inch diameter, available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.